Dear students, in the last video we learned about natural resource water and multi-purpose river valley projects. Today we will start a new topic, need for water conservation. Students, water is one of the important natural resource. Without water, life is not possible. Water is also very valuable resource. Before 20 years, no one even thought that they need to buy water for drinking purpose. But today, we need to buy water for drinking purpose. Today, it costs 20 rupees for a 1 liter bottle. And if we waste water like this, maybe in future we need to buy water for daily need purposes also. That's why we need to conserve water. Water is a prime resource. Just as we plan income and expenditure in financial budget, we need to have a water budget too. Access to clean and adequate water resource is a major problem facing the world today. We must plan utilization of our water resources to derive maximum benefit. Major problems and challenges that stand in the way are as follows. Water scarcity. Water scarcity or water shortage is felt when usage increases more than the available water resources, and it happens because of increment in population. We see the population of India as well as the world is increasing day by day, and because of the need of water is increasing, but the resources of water is limited. In most of the countries we see the short rainfall in some regions or other. Drought-prone countries, especially in Africa and Asia, are the worst hit because they have highest population too. In our area, we see during rainy seasons it rains heavily, and the rainwater flows in river, and rivers take it to ocean. And during summer season, we face shortage of water. To stop this, we need to harvest water. Next one is overutilization. Even though water is a renewable resource, its overuse and pollution make it unfit for use. While water needs are increasing, the water resources are fixed, and this put a major strain on the existing resources. In many urban areas, groundwater levels are dangerously low. In our area also, we see the groundwater level is decreasing day by day. During summer seasons, we have to face water shortage. Many experts say that India's cities are going to run out of groundwater by the year 2020. Next one is qualitative decline. Discharge of untreated or partially treated sewage, agricultural chemicals, and industrial effluents in water bodies are major pollutions. They pollute water with nitrates, metals, and pesticides. Most of these chemicals are non-biodegradable and reach human bodies through water. Water pollution can be controlled by treating these effluents suitably before releasing them in water bodies. This problem is harshly seen in Asia, Africa, and South America. Okay student, we will stop here. We will learn the remaining chapter in next video. Thank you.